got the Viper AS5160 automatic floor scrubber. This is a very rugged and simple designed 20-inch machine. These work really nice in a wide variety of applications, from your small offices, convenience stores, break rooms, cafeterias, to even medium-sized locations. You have large 16-gallon tanks, a very easy to use control panel, a simple key switch, battery level display. You have an hour meter. One button controls your brush and your vacuum, and you have your solution control adjuster there as well. Very easy to train someone on. You simply hit the buttons, brushes come on, it pulls the machine along, and you're cleaning right away. Notice at the back of the machine, the squeegee has a breakaway squeegee system there. Two knobs take it off. You've got a band that pops the squeegee off. No tools required to change the blades. A large recovery drain hose, as well as the charge cord for charging up the batteries. That's on board. Wherever you're at, you can plug into power and get the machine charged up again. Let's notice the large recovery tank lid here. Wide opening where you can really get in there and rinse the machine out. A very nice feature. The hole underneath of the machine here is the solution tank. The whole bottom of the machine there, you can see the level where you can see how much water is in there. These come standard with a pad driver. If you need a brush just for plain concrete, we can include that as well. So if you're in the market for a smaller machine in a 20-inch size that still has the capability of cleaning larger areas, the Viper AS5160 would make an excellent choice in the price range of under $4,000. These are very easy to use. We've had a lot of success with these machines in a lot of different applications. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 501-844-1811, and as well as our website, floor-scrubber.com. We'd be happy to help you out however we can.